The top 3 things that I see: eggshells, coffee grounds, and grease. If you're putting those 3 things down your disposal, you most likely will have a backup in your near future. Any starchy foods, seeds, chicken bones, pasta, rice, any starchy food should not go down the garbage disposal. Eggshells have that elasticy kind of plastic texture to it once they're broken down. And then that gets pushed down the drain line. Then the next thing that comes behind the eggshell will bind up with the eggshell and grab little particles of food. Coffee grounds, same thing. They're very, very thin, very sand-like. And soon as any other particle of food hits it, it likes to bind up. Grease will re-solidify in the drain. In very, very bad cases, there's been complete blockages where over 20 years a customer's been putting grease down their line and I just can't clear it no matter what, and we end up having to literally replace the entire kitchen line. If it's making an abnormally loud sound, usually that's a sign of the blades rusting out or the motor housing starting to rust out. Len the Plumber stocks 3 different types of disposals on our truck, all with warranties. Also, we have them stocked on our truck ready to go at all times.